make sure you know these formulas. Vital capacity equals inspiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume plus expiratory reserve volume. Total lung capacity equals vital capacity plus residual volume. And then minute ventilation equals respiratory rate multiplied by tidal volume. Okay? So I could have a lot of fun with these formulas. For example, you know, I could be pretty straightforward and I could say, all right, first of all, by the way, I will try to use even numbers. I'm not going to, I want you to be able to do the math fast, so I'm not going to be like 3562 plus 2958 plus, you know, there'll be things like 3000 plus 4000, things like that. So if I said, you know, I could give you something like, okay, your inspiratory reserve volume is 3000, your tidal volume is 500, your expiratory reserve volume is 1000, all right? What would be your vital capacity? And it would be, anyone know? Anyone pay attention? It would be, I gotta remember what I said. It'd be 4,500, right? So if this was like 3,000, that was 500, and that was 1,000, it'd be 4,500, all right? I could do it simple like that, or, you know, I might require a little bit of rearrangement in algebra. So I could say like, oh, the vital capacity is 4,500, and the inspiratory reserve volume is 3,000, and the tidal volume is 500. What's the expiratory reserve volume? So you'd have to manipulate it, and then you'd realize that it was like 1,000, right? Everyone comfortable with minor manipulation like that? I mean, I'll pick, again, I'm not going to pick screwy numbers that take a long time. Same thing with like, you know, the total lung capacity is the vital capacity plus the residual volume, all right? You know, keep in mind that here you have this guy here, and you also have that guy up there. So I could do something like, you know, here's the inspiratory reserve volume, here's the tidal volume, here's the expiratory reserve volume, and the residual volume. What's the total lung capacity? And then, you know, you'd add all three of those plus that one together to give you that. And then the minute ventilation, you know, that's a lot like the cardiac output. You're just going to take whatever the tidal volume is and multiply it by the respiratory rate. And, you know, that's it. I don't think the math's going to give you any real problems. It should be pretty easy. There's probably only going to be maybe one, possibly two math questions, but that's it. Any questions about the math or anything else? All right, so that's it. That's the